Welcome to the set, everybody. My name is CJ. Right over there is Nate. Right over there is Ethan.
Hello.
And right over there is...
Hi. Hello.
Nothing. Just ignore over there.
You
But what
can't
should not
me.
ignore is our delicious debate that's going to take place today.
Uh-oh. I'm excited for what? What's the debate?
Are we making a BLT?
I don't know, are we?
Or are we making a bacon sandwich?
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
BLT.
Yes. No.
Bacon sandwich
We'll
is
let
bread
the
and
fates
bacon.
decide.
Fates?
The Battle of Wits has begun.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
Today we are teaming up with our dear friends, Right
Oh.
Bacon.
That bacon's wrong.
I don't want to be right. I don't know when there's an application to not use thick cut Right Bacon. I've been doing this show since 2020.
How many times do we have to teach you this lesson, old man?
Wright's thick cut bacon.
It is thick. It is delightful.
It's the right way to go.
It's
Oh,
the
man.
right
How many
way
of those are there in
to
this
go.
episode?
So the only controversy is that packaging.
Controversy?
The packaging. I always have a hard time with the packaging.
I'll never forget that first taste. Sweet and creamy and just plain good.
You know what, Andy? Why don't you come on over here and help a guy out?
Oh, okay.
Because
Why?
in Project Bacon Sandwich, Andy does have a name.
I don't like it.
Okay, back over this
Project
way.
Bake Ham.
So while the bacon's being set up over there, establish what a BLT is. You tell me.
Bacon, lettuce, tomato. It's kind of in the name, guy.
Okay. It's kind of in the name. What if there's other things in the BLT?
Like,
It's a sandwich.
Let's just say chicken.
then it's a BCLT.
Let's just say guacamole.
Then it's a BGLA. BGLT.
Does the tomato in the BLT have to be fresh and like thin slice cut like tomato? Or could it be blistered like what I'm about to do?
It could be blistered. It's still a tomato.
Oh, that was nice. That was quick. When you look
Still-
down at it, you're like, no. Oh wait, he's gonna do it.
I didn't
so
know.
yeah,
I didn't know what kind of tomatoes you had.
Uh-huh. Hey,
Oh,
buddy.
he's
Hey.
like,
How's it coming over there?
I think I'm good.
You are hogging up all the real estate. But
Okay.
that's okay.
No,
I
fine.
gave you a task, and we did it.
I assumed a bacon sandwich, the bacon's the star of the show, needs the most space, but
you need more bacon?
apparently not.
Hey, we're not talking about BLTs. We're talking about sandwiches that happen to have bacon on them.
I don't know about that. We'll see.
Yeah, we
'Cause
are.
I
going
see
to
bacon. I see lettuce.
I see
the
husbands.
All just because I ripped my pants.
Guys
All
are
right, we're gonna
immature.
bring it when we come back because my tomatoes need. Whoa. My tomatoes need a minute to blister. The bacon needs to cook. Oh yeah, this just in. Yep. What's that? No, they can't do the cheers and ring without me. Cause why? Cause it's my show.
Okay.
We already did it though.
The bacon smells like it's time to flip. You know what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah, when it smells like bacon.
Exactly.
Actually, it does smell glorious on set right now.
It smells.
There's not a bad time of day for bacon.
No. That's an actually perfect thing because you wouldn't normally eat a bacon sandwich in the morning.
I don't know what a bacon sandwich is, but I like bacon.
I
all
think
day.
you do know what a bacon
So are
sandwich
you
is.
taking this to a 10 or an 11?
No, we're gonna go to like 6 to 7 town.
Here I come.
Oh.
Here I come.
6 to 7 town. Let me toss these tomatoes around. Oh yeah.
I still have beef with Husky
guys-
for being a 4 on this.
These guys need a little bit of salt and pepper. So, is there?
Yes.
Is a bacon sandwich a BLT?
I don't even know what a bacon sandwich is.
We made bacon sandwiches in our home.
Do they have lettuce and tomato?
Mine did not. Okay, but what if you don't want tomatoes on there and you might want squash and zucchini? I mean, I
Then
don't
you
want
can't
that.
call it a BLT.
I'm so confused. Yeah.
Yeah, it's in the name. Bacon, lettuce, tomato.
Your silly ruse are hurting my ears and making me deaf.
Just so
Speaking of being, you can finish, Andy. No, go ahead.
No, it's you. No.
Go ahead.
Speaking of death, hey CJ. Ah.
Did you know that White Pony was actually delayed because the band was too busy playing Tony Hawk Pro Skater?
What's White Pony?
One of their albums.
I am too smart. I am too smart. I am too smart.
Andy, what were you gonna say earlier?
Well, this very off topic now, but so your argument is this is called a bacon sandwich, but you're putting lettuce and tomato on it.
Right, but I'm also putting chicken and guacamole on it as well.
I don't like you.
All right, my bacon is now done.
Ooh.
Whoa.
You could go a little bit longer if you're following at home.
If you're a madman.
If you subscribe, you know that we took to a 10. I don't know what this debacle is.
And if you haven't subscribed, you know what? Maybe you're someone in the world who's thinking to themselves,
That's more than a 6, dude. Come on now, hey.
maybe right there is, but right there's a definite
That one
like
is
5.5.
perfect. That one's perfect.
So then it balances out.
That's a 9.
Look, subscribe.
It was a 6,
If you are-
I hate it. I
It's
hate
so
everything
stupid.
about it.
Oh my god.
All
it's
of it.
Everything about it. My daughters are doing it. My
I
daughters.
don't like it.
Oh my gosh, it's so dumb. We'll be back. It's time to build. Today I decided for my bacon sandwich that I was going that I was going to be using sourdough. So we are going to crisp up our sourdough in the bacon fat.
Okay.
Now we're gonna go, this is
I'm
like
a
a
fan.
light toast, but you're just wanting the crunch. You don't want to necessarily take it to like...
You got all that bacon fat flavor. Why, like, use it? Have it.
I am.
No, I'm saying for everyone at home.
Right,
Obviously.
anybody else who's gonna be making a bacon sandwich in the future, be sure to go this technique. Now, one thing we didn't discuss is we're gonna do a triple stack.
Can't triple stamp a double stamp.
Dang it, you beat me to it!
Were you gonna say it?
Didn't even see it coming.
Double stamp, triple stamp.
But that was another dumb one.
Okay.
Fellas, you think we could listen to the radio or something?
Now, anybody, when making said bacon sandwich, you can take whatever liberties you would like. The liberty is yours. Liberty, liberty, liberty.
Okay.
Oh, I like it. How are you doing?
Well, you've got 3 pieces of bread, so I mean, you really could triple up on this sauce.
And if you decide you want it on the top, you can just flip the whole thing.
See?
Okay, and now I think obviously the next decision is
a cut.
Is to make
bacon
the star down here. I mean, this is
perfectly cut.
I'm just going with my gut. I'm just letting the spirit lead me right here.
Amen.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay, now the next
Mustard.
question is mustard on the inside.
I think so.
Okay.
I think on both sides. I'm a big fan of mustard and bacon.
Yeah, you know, we had this conversation the other day when we were at the airport.
What?
And
about bacon and mustard?
Yeah, because you ordered your bacon sandwich without
Didn't order a bacon
mayo.
sandwich.
You ordered it without mayo.
Never ordered a bacon sandwich.
It turns out you did.
Nope. Ordered a BLT.
Okay. If you say so.
You guys were hanging out at the airport without us?
Yep.
You guys are getting paid?
Now, you can make your bacon sandwiches without tomato if you like, or you could follow in a BLT fashion if one were so inclined. All right, let's go mustard side down.
Yep. And then mustard
Now we're going to do mustard
again.
You like the mustard, huh? I get you more mustard, okay? Now, up here at the top, obviously, we're going to have to add some lettuce.
Are you going to keep it whole or are you going to do kind of a shred? A shred might sit nicer.
We're shredding.
Okay.
So look, there's some things that might change in the world. You might call it a BLT. You might call it a bacon sandwich.
That doesn't change. A
One-
BLT has been and always will be a
One
BLT.
thing for sure is that if you're going to do lettuce, man, a nice fine shred is the way to go.
Shred it.
Because master shredder.
That's
Yeah,
good.
That was okay.
Yeah, okay.
That was
Shredder.
okay. That was all right. I mean,
I've said it before, and I'll say it again.
we're reaching here, folks.
I like
we're reaching.
this.
Okay, now we're gonna go with some chicken.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna do some deli.
Chicken.
Let's do 2 there, and then we're gonna go some more bacon.
Okay.
Okay.
Didn't see that coming.
Uh-huh.
You have enough bacon for another sandwich?
Andy really has a lot of disdain in his voice when he's hearing what's going on. So, all right, now we have the topper.
Mayo.
Mayo it is, baby. I happen to agree with you.
I don't typically like mayo.
The thing about the bacon sandwich is there are no rules. You could add whatever you would like.
For not calling it a BLT.
No. In a bacon sandwich, there's no rules, but in a BLT, you need bacon, lettuce, and tomato.
Well, in a bacon sandwich, you would also for sure need bacon, I imagine.
Okay.
You do.
That was obvious.
But
Let's point that out.
Good addition, sir.
Is a bacon sandwich still
So if
a
this
bacon
sandwich
sandwich?
is just bacon and that chicken, it's a bacon, sandwich?
Oh, with chicken.
I don't know. But what I do know is I have all those tomatoes over there. Those could go up here too. I can't wait for you to trouble me for a warm glass of shut the heck up. All right. I think this is a suitable young lady bacon sandwich right there.
All dressed up and ready for the ball.
Wow. Let's do it. A sandwich has bread, right? With ingredients inside.
Yeah.
I give you the bacon sandwich.
No.
I don't know.
I just don't like saying it.
I know you don't, but I don't care. So let's move this one, and let's come to this one. Oh, I lost a little tomato. It is a ridiculous.
I gotta come down like eye level with this mother.
Okay.
Look at this thing.
I'm not going to be able to eat this well. Like I would not.
Juicy tomatoes.
There's no fork for you to bite.
I could find one. Oh man. Oh hello. Dude, I gotta say, the blistered tomatoes.
The goods.
Oh yeah.
Show me the goods.
Look at that, bro. I'm not gonna be able to eat this. This is the dumbest thing I've ever done. I've done dumber. This is definitely dumb and dumber. All right. Let's see what I can do here. Uh-huh.
Yeah. Nothing like a BLT.
I'm not saying it's not a BLT.
I'm saying
what I'm saying is it's not a bacon sandwich.
All right, it's not a bacon sandwich.
It is a BLT, but it's also a bacon sandwich.
It's like
you get
saying,
it now.
I get it now.
It's like saying we live in the U.S. Or I could be more specific and say we live in Florida. I could be more specific and say that that's a BLT with chicken.
Leave it in the comments. Bacon sandwich?
No.
No. I'm not saying it's not a BLT, okay? So take that off the table.
Why?
Is it a bacon sandwich, though?
We just call it a sandwich.
Let's
Okay, I'm
leave it
gonna
in the
make you a
comments.
sandwich.
Oh, it's
Is
just
that
a
very
sandwich
specific?
now?
Yeah, it's vague. Make you a sandwich. Oh yeah, what's in it? I'm not telling you.
Shut up.
If I said bacon sandwich, there's a bunch of
I'm
other
not
stuff in
telling
there.
you. And I'll never call her again. Leave it in the comments, but speaking which, it's comments time. CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Well, if you've made it this far, good on ya. Go check your mail. You got a special prize in the mail.
Really?
No.
Oh.
But you could like and subscribe. And that would be really nice.
That'd be a present for us.
Yeah.
It's the opposite.
And then you get things in your inbox.
Oh, it is a present.
There you go. So you're there you go.
See?
Well, this is the segment of the show where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers.
Yeah, we do.
If you guys write it,
We read it.
That's right. So here we go, starting from the top in no particular order. This one's from Smokestone Cuisine.
Smokestone, what's happening?
He says, Nate trying so hard to not hate on tofu. Sorry, Jess.
No, I wasn't hating on tofu.
You were trying
It's like-
hard not to.
it was
It's
fine.
facto you in fact were.
No, it was fine. Like calling it a bacon sandwich instead of bacon, lettuce, and tomato. Like you
Nice
could be
catch.
more specific.
Nice catch. Good job.
Yeah. Nah, dude. Nah. Smokestone.
It was a stretch.
It was a big stretch, dude.
Okay.
All right, this next one comes in from Dark Tower 98.
Dark Tower.
Dark Tower,
All right.
not to be confused with High Tower.
Or with the Oh. Okay.
There we go. Thank you, sir. Dark Tower says, oh, and this, by the way, is an episode of Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner. It says, where's CJ's first cooking show? This show sucks. Big, horrible, hairy, bad.
That's enough. That's enough of that. Who said that?
Dark Tower.
Dark Tower. Kiss your mother with that mouth?
Bet he does.
You've gone mental. I'm getting out of here, Damien.
Fine, then go.
I'm gone.
Go then.
I am.
to wrap this one up, I thought, let's just share some love for a second.
Okay.
And this love is to you and I.
All right.
This is an homage
You being a jerk or for
to
real?
CJ and Nate. Nope, here we go. This one comes in from Kay Thompson. Kay Thompson says, I love watching you two. You always bring some great little clips to see, and your friendship shines through.
Oh, wow.
I know! Guys, my guy's in the background. If you give a girl a grill, it just says, can I just say how much I love you guys?
Aw.
Yes, you can. You can say that. Everybody can keep saying that. And one more. Kay Thompson says, again, I love watching you two together. You keep it real, and it's easy to see you both are sincere and share a great friendship.
Aw. It's true.
It's true. Friends.
We're friends.
Friends.
Don't you know that we're best friends?
Do you want to go do karate in the garage? Yup.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. I do appreciate it. We had some fun today. I think I educated the world.
No.
Is a bacon sandwich a BLT? Yes, it is. But is a BLT a bacon sandwich? Yes, it is. I've done my part.
But not always.
Are you really going to open this can of
A
worms?
bacon sandwich isn't a BLT. That's what you just said.
No, I don't think I said
BLT
that.
is a bacon sandwich, but a bacon sandwich isn't a BLT.
Ooh.
Fingers and thumbs.
Go to blackstoneproducts.com. Also, go to griddlenation.com if you want to get some cool shirts and swag. Also, if you're interested in Griddle Crew or you want to know more about the program, what it's all about, we just built an awesome website, griddlecrew.com. You're going to love it. Lots of cool things. It shines bright about the diamonds that are in Griddle Crew.
Okay.
Also, if you're here, you're watching the networks, just go watch all the other shows. They're amazing. All the other creators are really, really fantastic. I'm more fantastic, but they're also really, really great.
So you're the thumb of the
I'm
hand.
the thumb, that's right. But in the meantime, this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we quote.
That's right. We'll see you down the road, one bacon sandwich at a time.
Secure!